Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Toast POS service and end your restaurant technology subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly close your account and manage the cancellation process. Step 1. Review your Toast contract carefully. Check the terms regarding contract length, notice periods, and any early termination fees that may apply to your agreement. Step 2. Contact Toast customer care directly by phone or through the support portal in your Toast dashboard. Have your restaurant name and account information ready. Step 3. Submit a formal cancellation request. Toast typically requires written notice of cancellation, so be prepared to send an email or complete a cancellation form. Step 4. Specify your desired cancellation date. Note that Toast may require advance notice, often 30 to 60 days, depending on your contract terms. Step 5. Discuss any outstanding financial obligations with the Toast representative, including remaining hardware payments, monthly subscription fees, or processing charges. Step 6. Ask about the return of Toast hardware. If you're leasing equipment, you'll need to return it. If you purchased it outright, confirm ownership transfer. Step 7. Export all important business data from your Toast system before your cancellation becomes effective. This includes transaction history, customer data, menu information, and reports. Step 8. Process all pending transactions and ensure all end-of-day closing procedures are completed before your final day of service. Step 9. Transfer any remaining account balance to your bank account and close out any open tabs or pending orders. Step 10. Receive written confirmation of your cancellation from Toast, including the effective date and any final charges or credits to your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.